Hello, and welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are so excited to be quickly introducing our brand new ink pads, Crunchy Leaf and River Rock. Now these ink pads are special because they are alcohol marker friendly and also watercolor friendly too. So you can use them with your Copic markers or other similar alcohol-based markers. So these are just like our jet black ink, the ink I use all of the time, except now we have it in a brown and a gray color. So you'll notice there's that little starburst in the upper left-hand corner. Eventually the jet black is going to have one of those too, so that you know that these three inks are Copic marker friendly. So we're going to be stamping out that cute new winter narwhal using the Crunchy Leaf ink, the River Rock ink, and the jet black ink so that we can have a nice comparison. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be coloring all three of these in the exact same way with the exact same markers. And that's what's amazing about having two other colors of alcohol marker friendly ink, is that you can get completely different looks with your same exact markers just by changing the color of ink that you stamped your image in. Right now I'm using some neutral grays to color in the narwhal, some warm grays for his bellies, and some cool grays for his little horn, and then also some nice bright pinks for the scarf. And that's so that we'll have a nice comparison between a warm gray, a neutral gray, and a cool gray, and also a bright color so you can see how all of them look with the jet black, River Rock, and Crunchy Leaf. So already you can see the softer look that you get with the River Rock. Because the narwhal's been stamped in that gray color, it just has this kind of softer, more gentle look. Then when you get to the River Rock, it's even softer and it almost appears to me like a storybook character. It looks like one of those little storybooks we used to read as kids, and they're just so soft and pretty. So what I love about this is that you can mix and match these different inks depending on what look you're going for in your card. So it's of a softer scene with softer colors, you may want to try River Rock or Crunchy Leaf. So here's a comparison look at all three of those inks. It is really incredible what a difference just the ink color makes. And here is another look where you can see all of the different ink colors labeled and just how gorgeous they are. Next, we've colored in some other images, and this is the brand new Yeti, and all we did was line the inside of him with a warm gray marker, and look how different each one of those looks. It's so cool. Next up, I stamped the fox from Jump for Joy. I just love this little guy, and these are with some yellowy markers, yellowy brown markers, and you can see the difference with the different colors of inks that we stamped in. And then last but not least, we have some trees from Tree Before and Afters with our bold and jet black, our medium with River Rock, and that nice soft look with Crunchy Leaf. It just amazes me how much difference one color of ink can make. I love that you can go from something softer like this brown to something more kind of medium like the River Rock, or something more bold like the jet black, and it all depends on what your card calls for. So if you're using softer colors, maybe that River Rock or Crunchy Leaf inks are going to be perfect for your card. Or if you want more of a bold look, you can go ahead and play around with the jet black. So I love that we can mix and match so many different things. And here we wanted to show you a couple of cards from the design team. And this card is in the Tree Before and Afters video, so make sure to check out that video. It's going to be up later tonight, and you can see how gorgeous those trees look in that soft brown in that beautiful soft scene. Here Audrey stamped in the Crunchy Leaf ink in a cute winter scene, and I absolutely love the look, especially with that brown stamped on craft and colored with colored pencils. And then this card by Kara is just gorgeous. I love the brown. It created such a cute soft look and such a beautiful fall look too. It's just stunning. I can't wait to see what you guys do with these two new ink pads, so make sure to share it with us and make sure to let us know what you think about the three different colors in the comments below. If you'd like to check out some more videos, you can click here. You can also click to subscribe. We would love if you guys would do that, or you can click to learn more at lawnfawn.com. So thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!